Hi, there's a simple truth that can completely change your life. What's wrong is always available, but so is what's right. Every single moment, life gives you two lenses, one that magnifies what's missing and one that reveals what's meaningful. The difference between feeling drained and feeling alive isn't what's happening around you. It's about where you place your focus. You can't always control what happens to you, but you can control what you feed your mind. And whatever you feed grows. That's why this line is so powerful. Where focus goes, energy flows. Imagine your mind like a flashlight. Wherever you shine it, that's what lights up. If you aim at your problems, you see more problems. If you aim at possibilities, you'll start noticing solutions that were always there. And this isn't just theory. You have seen it happen. Think about platforms like YouTube or Instagram. You accidentally watch one horror movie trailer, and then another shows up, then another, and suddenly your entire feed is full of horror clips. Did the world suddenly become dark and scary? No. You just told the algorithm, show me more of this. Your brain works the same way. Whatever you focus on, you train your mind to bring you more of it. Try this right now. Look around you and find something red. You got it? Now, look for something black. Did you notice how your focus shifted instantly? Had you noticed the black when you looked for the red? When you were looking for red, you couldn't actually see anything else. That's how powerful your focus is. You find what you look for. Let's be honest, it's easy to see what's wrong. It's everywhere. The news, social media, even your own thoughts. Your brain has a negativity bias. It's designed for survival, not happiness. That's why you can have 99 things going right and one thing goes wrong and your mind zooms in on that one thing. Someone praises you, you forget it in seconds. Someone criticizes you, you think about it all night. We all do it. But once you notice it, you can change it. Because awareness is the first step to power. Every situation you face passes through the filter of your focus. Two people go through the same experience and one feels broken and the other grows stronger. Viktor Frankl once said, everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the freedom to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances. You can't always choose the situation, but you can always choose your focus. So how do we take back control, especially when life feels heavy? Here are a few simple practices that truly shift your focus. Start your day with intention. Before you touch your phone, pause, take a moment, pray, reflect, and write down 3 things you're grateful for. Then ask yourself, what do I want to focus on today? That one decision sets the tone for your entire day. Catch negative spirals early. Your thoughts aren't always facts. When your mind starts spiraling, pause and say, this is just a thought, not a fact. Then ask, what else could be true? What can I learn from this? What can I do right now? Shift from the problem to the possibility. Be intentional about what you consume. Your environment shapes your focus. If you constantly consume fear, gossip, negativity, your mind reflects that. But when you choose better inputs, books, uplifting content, meaningful conversations, your energy shifts. Ask yourself daily, what am I feeding my mind? Ask better questions. As Tony Robbins says, the quality of your life is the quality of your questions. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? How can I make myself stronger? What's still in my control? Better questions, better focus, and that leads to a better life. Celebrate small wins. Confidence isn't built in big moments, it's built in small, consistent wins. Celebrate progress, celebrate effort, celebrate showing up, because your brain starts to believe, I am capable and I am growing. Now, focusing on what's right doesn't mean ignoring reality. It means acknowledging what's wrong without letting it define you. There will always be challenges, but there will also always be beauty. Both exist. You decide which one gets your energy. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, morning, 3 things you're grateful for. During the day, pause and ask, what's still right? Night, 3 small wins. Do this consistently and watch your energy shift. Not because life changed, but because you did. There's always something wrong and there's always something right. Both are real. But your focus, that's your superpower. If you want peace, focus on peace. If you want growth, focus on growth. If you want energy, focus on what fuels you. Because the life you experience is shaped by what you repeatedly focus on. What's wrong is always available, but so is what's right. Where focus goes, energy flows. And where energy flows, life grows. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs this reminder today.